How to apply for a Santander Bank Credit Card. To apply for the credit card for this particular bank, you must be typically 18 or older. So you can visit their website. You can go ahead and visit their website, which is this one right here, santander.co.uk, and you will be taken to that particular website. And here in this page, you can just go ahead and check out the eligibility and the credit and income requirements. And once you do so, you can basically go ahead and apply for a specific card. So we have different cards available. You may go ahead and look out for full on details for each of one. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and find the one that best suits your needs, considering the factors like rewards, balance, transfer offers, annual fees, and credit limits. After that, you can just go ahead and tap on this full details option within the card and check for the eligibility, and you can basically apply it for looking out for the apply option. Just go ahead and tap on apply, and once you go ahead and tap on apply here, you can basically go ahead and look out for the documents that are required. Just go ahead and provide them with any necessary documents, and you can continue the process by agreeing to the terms and conditions. After that, tap on continue, and there you need to provide in all the necessary details for the application. So just go ahead and provide that in their website, including information for a credit check. So you can just go ahead and fill out this form right here, application form, where you need to provide in your details like your phone number, your first name, your last name, etc. Everything. Continue the process and complete the application process and apply for it. And once your application is accepted, you will be informed of your credit limit and basically go ahead and apply it in this way. So, therefore, if you'd also like to apply for Santander credit card, you may follow up this process if you would like to do so. So, I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.